A very good morning to all my dear students. The subject we are going to do today is moral formation, and our topic is chapter 7, the toy story. Now, this story is about a small girl whose name is Adya, and she has a room full of toys. Every Sunday, her parents take her out to buy toys according to her choice. As her parents are very rich and both are working, so they would go to office in the morning and they would come back from office late in the evening. So Adya used to stay with her grandparents, and Adya was very fond of playing with toys, but she wanted every now and then new toys, and so her parents fulfilled all her demands. But she never knew how to use the toys in a proper way. Her grandparents would keep explaining her about this, but then also she never listened. And she used to be very rough with the toys. She always wanted new toys every week to play with, and she used to get fed up with the old toys. So let's see as to what happens in this story. Is that clear? I will read the chapter and I will explain you. Clear, children? Please take out your moral formation reader. Chapter 7, The Toy Story. Adya has a room full of toys. Now this is Adya, a little girl, and she has a full room is full of toys. Every Sunday her parents would take her out and she would buy a toy for her choice. Of her choice. Then the child used to go out every day Sunday with her parents, and she used to buy everything according to her choice. Her parents worked in a big company and both of them were very busy. Since her parents were both working, so they were very busy. They would leave for office in the morning and come back late in the evening. Now they used to go to office in the morning and come back late in the evening. Adya would be with her grandparents the whole day. Now, since her parents were working, so she used to stay the whole day with her grandparents. In the afternoon, when she came back from school, her grandmother would say, Adya, please change your clothes and have lunch. Now, when she came from school, her grandmother used to tell her that Adya, change your clothes and have your lunch. The food is getting cold. The grandmother used to keep saying the food is getting cold and have your lunch. But Adya would be busy playing with the new toys that had come that week. Now Adya did not listen. She was very stubborn and she kept on playing with the new toys that she brought every Sunday when she went out with her parents. She did not care about the old toys. Now she never cared about the old toys. She was busy playing with the new toys. Even the ones which had come the previous week, even which had come on the previous week. She would scatter them here and there in the room. Scatter means she kept on throwing them, spreading them all over in the room. Scatter in Hindi means phailana. She would never she would never put back the toys neatly on the shelf. Now she would never take the toys and keep them neatly on the shelf. She kept on spreading them everywhere as her grandparents wanted. As her grandparents told her every time that after playing, keep your things on the shelf, but she never listened. Adya's grandmother, was so fond of her that she would wait for her to come home from school and make fresh roti for her. Now, Adya's grandmother was very fond of her, and she waited eagerly that Adya will come from school home and she will make fresh rotis means chapatis for her. Her grandfather also loved her. Both the grandparents loved her. He would not have his lunch till Adya came back from school and had lunch with them. Now he would not have his lunch till Adya would come back from school and sit and have a lunch with the grandparents. One day Adya came back from school and went straight to her room to play with her toys. One day what happened? She came from school and directly she went to play with her toys. She was aghast to see her toys talking to each other. She became very worried. She became very shocked, horrified she became. What happened? My toys are talking to each other. It was a shock for her. The Barbie doll said, I don't want to stay here. Now the Barbies, what they are talking among each other. I don't want to stay over here. Adya twists my hand and it really hurts. Now the Barbie is telling the other toys that Adya keeps twisting my hands and all, and it really pains and hurts me. The stuffed toy rabbit said. Now, the stuffed toy rabbit, what he's saying, yes, she bothers me a lot too. She also starts worrying all the toys. She opens my stitching and takes my soft stuffing out of me. Now, inside this bunny, there is lot of cotton stuff filled. So, she opens the stitching part and takes out all the cotton. Now, the toys are talking to each other. The remote control car spoke up too. Now, the remote is also saying, she doesn't give me any rest until my battery runs out. She keeps using my toy very roughly, the car, and she never gives rest at all to the car. Turn to the next page. The older toys were saying, now the other toys which had become quite old, she doesn't care for us at all. Now she says that she does not care for us. She only keeps playing with the new toys that come for her every Sunday. And she also doesn't care for her grandparents who love her so much. Now the toys are speaking among each other and they are saying that she even does not care for her grandparents who love her so much. Some toys were saying life was better in the toy shop. At least the shopkeeper kept us neatly on the shelves, and the people who came to the shop also appreciated us. Now, some toys, what they started talking among each other, life of the toys was much better when the toys were in the toy shop. It was kept on the shelf. At least the shopkeeper kept on cleaning us, and people coming used to appreciate, means tarif karna. They kept on appreciating what a beautiful toy this is, how beautiful it looks. Okay, so life was much better when we were in the shop. Adya had just dumped us in her room. Now, Adya, the old toys, when she never liked them, she used to just take them and throw them, dump them in one room. She only likes to play with the most recent toys. She always wanted to play with new toys. Okay? And she doesn't let us play with her friends. And she does not let the toys also play with any of her friends. The old monkey said, let's all run away from here. What does the old monkey said? Let us all run and go away from Adya. Let us run away. Let her be without toys. Now they say, let her be without toys. Let us all go from here. Suddenly Adya heard someone walking here. Suddenly what happened? Adya heard someone walking and coming over there. Adya, get up. Now what happens? Someone says, Adya, get up. Have your lunch. Dadaji has not eaten his lunch and it is 5 in the evening. Now they say, hurry up, get up soon. Dadaji has not eaten the lunch. Get up, and it is 5 in the evening. He is hungry. He was waiting for you to get up so he could eat with you. But I think you were so tired. Now they are saying that you were so tired, I think, and Dadaji is waiting for you. And you went straight to your room and fell asleep between your toys. Now, what the grandmother is telling, that Dadaji was waiting for you for lunch, but I feel that you were so tired that you went and slept off with your toys only. Adya realized how much her grandparents loved her. Now, Adya realized that how much her grandparents had loved her and decided at the same time that she would take more care of the toys. Now, what did Adya decide? That she will take care of her toys. Is that clear? So, children, from this story, we must learn, it's a lesson for us that we should not act stubborn. We should listen to our elders. We should love and care our grandparents, our parents who do so much for us. Yes, and we should not keep wanting. Our wants never end. We should not keep always craving for new things. Okay, we should be satisfied with whatever we are having, and we should take care and look after our toys, our books, everything. Is that clear, children? I am sure this lesson will teach each one of you how to look after things. Okay, that's all for today. Have a good day. Take care. Bye. I want you all to read the lesson. Clear?